Hello everybody!
Welcome back to Pano Wall Art with our new set of interior decorating tips to help you decorate for the summer.
Ready to style and freshen up your home?
Let's jump right in!
First up, turn your room nautical. The best summer inspiration is from the seashore. It's easy to find a nautical themed furniture and wall decor around the house. You can find them in a budget-friendly stores near you. Turn your house into a beach house with wooden benches and blue rugs. Add blue cushions and drapes that are like the oceans too. Experiment with blue and white shades, or pick up ship-themed relics from the flea market.
Next thing, bust out the travel photos. Hype yourself up for the summer traveling. Decorating the summer is not complete without framing and hanging favorite travel photos. You can save money with this too.
Also, don't forget to decorate with greenery. Plants freshen up the space. Rooms are not complete without indoor plants. Plants like succulents last for a long time and not high maintenance.
Remove the heavy drapes. Replace them with light and airy window covers. Blinds would look great too. Let as much natural light in as possible, so your home feels cheery and happy.
Of course, don't forget to update your wall decor. Keep the winter and fall themed wall art in the attic. Hang up wall arts that represent summer, like the ocean, beach, or scenery wall art.
There's nothing like decorating the home for the summer.
I hope this video helped you in finding ways to decorate your home for the summer.
And if this video helped you,
please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.
For more wall art related tips and ring that bell icon to stay tuned.
Also, tell us what you thought about these tips. Have you tried them? Let us know.
And before we go, check out our previous video for more tips.
Thanks for watching. Bye!